Dun, 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 dun. What's up, D Nice? Good afternoon, sir. Hope you're having a great weekend. We're on a little bit early. We got some plans this evening, so we won't be on this evening. What's up, Howdy? Dun, 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 dun. Gonna stay on just for a short time. Gonna make a few call outs and then get things lined up so we have a nice weekend coming up, our weekday coming up. That's what we're hoping for. Guess we shall see how we do. Do a little recap of last week, how we kicked ass, and then how we're currently in some trades, as you guys can see. Got about a dozen open. I'm only showing you 10. Long-term buy on US30 in the very top there has been open almost a month. This Wednesday, I think, will be 4 weeks, actually. So how cool is that? Dun, 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 dun. I do have to monetize something, so give me 1 second here. The non-plastic, gotta be elastic. Oh, come on. Great, the internet's screwing up. At least we have backup now, yay. All right, now we have that. Now let's go over to here. Let's go over to there. Hey, LT, what's up, buddy? Good Sunday afternoon to you and Jesus Blanco. Every World Systems, what's up? Monetize, I just did. Thank you for that, LT. Cody Shuffler, hello. Mohammed, Apollonia, Estrada, Fly. Welcome to the group, by the way, Fly. I know you signed up recently. What's up, Howie B? Jabar, Melanie, Wayne Bob, what's up? Stevie Haynes, Tanny, Everyday Health, have family. Remember to hit the like. Yes, thank you for that. I appreciate that. All right, we're going to whip through a whole bunch of these little things, and then we're going to review a whole bunch of things. So these are some of the trades I'm in. Hopefully, you guys stayed in a few of your trades. I said I was going to close these out the other day. Friday, I never got around to it, actually, to be honest with you. So those are those trades. I'll yank those off of there. We'll flash this a couple of times. Remember, the difference between us and anyone else that's scamming you is we will never contact you first. So there's a lot. We're so successful now, obviously, making a shit ton of money for a lot of folks, and everyone's starting to try to copy us. So they're fakingly, lyingly doing that. None of us, none of our affiliates, no one ever will ever contact you first. So we will never reach out to you. If you're interested in what we have to sell, you contact us and we'll talk to you. So there'll always be a heads up on that. John C., good afternoon all. Flyowski, which is fly to the sky. Yes, and you are welcome, and hopefully you got that all straightened out. Good afternoon, M. Is anything like you from Star Trek? Any rate. All right. Here we go. What's up, boss? See that you hit 2 up. Yes, sir. Hit that last week, early last week, I think it was. Thank you. Yeah, it took us 1 year to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and it took about 2 months-ish to hit the next 1,000, so I'm pretty happy with that. Obviously, things were picking up there, which we have the most loyal base. I mean, if you take into account everyone that's bought and everybody that has the scanner room and everything, out of those 2,000 people, we have 1,000 members. I've never heard of it. Can you imagine if we had 1,000,000 subs? Holy shit. Well, this world would be on fire at that point. Holy crap. That is nuts. We literally have the most loyal fan. We have like 30,000, like 35,000 watch hours. Let me pull that shit up. Let me see if I can find it. You would die. And we have nothing. Where our watch time compared to the average YouTube watch time overall, all YouTube channels ever combined ever, our watch time is 4 to 5 times as high. We have 4 to 5 times as many watch hours as any other YouTube channel ever. So on average, I don't mean like the top ones, I have no idea what we consider those, but I do know our watch time, 2007, yeah, 4 days ago we hit that, 2 weeks ago. So for instance, if we go over to here, let me show you what I mean. They track everything, and one of the things they track is watch hours, and the channel gets more, it's the craziest thing you ever seen, it gets more watch time. Oh, hell, I'll just drag them. God bless you, precious. Yeah, we're actually at, this is as of this is kinda old, actually, this is older. So we're at 30,000 watch hours on a, channel with 2,000 people, and when we, went to monetize, they monetized us, like, in I don't even know, it was like 6 hours. I woke up the next one, like, 4 hours, and we said that we had 4 times as many, and it's grown since then, watch hours. So for each video that we have 4 times as much watch hours than the average any other YouTube, channel. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. It's not like a little bit more, it's 4 and now we're almost 5 times as much watch hours. I don't know, kinda crazy to me. You guys really like what you're seeing and you're watching it, I guess. So that's pretty cool. So thank you all for that. What's up, Jay? What's up, Steven? Alright, so we're gonna go over a few things, make a few call outs, not gonna stay long at all. Dun, 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 dun. Alright. Obviously, I'll come back to the US30s, Nas's, and all that in a minute. I'm gonna start with, yeah, isn't that awesome, Stacy? Yeah, crazy as shit. All those hours, damn. Alright, we're gonna start with gold, I'm working my way down, then I'm gonna go over a few things, go over some training, just some generic training for y'all, and then, we'll see where we're at that point. We're a little behind I'll talk about the scanner later too, I'll get over that in a second. Alright, 1-minute gold buy stop, by the way. To the blue line, 1-minute gold buy stop to the blue line. I'm gonna whip through these kinda fast if you're trying to keep up. Don't, just rewatch this later when I'm done. Market's not open for a couple hours anyways. 15-minute sell stop gold. It's gonna be a 15-minute sell stop gold back to its blue line. On the 30-minute is where it's going. That's gold. 1 hour, 4 hour. And a lot of you are confused thinking this is top-down analysis. This is not. It has nothing to do with top-down analysis, 0. This is live analysis. I'm comparing it to the different time frames in my own head following what I did earlier. Gold is nothing on the higher time frames. So you have a 4-hour buy, possibly I didn't mention that neither did I. 1-hour buy, 15-minute sell, 4-hour buy. Is how you wanna play gold. Bitcoin, let's see what the hell that's been doing lately. Buy stop to the blue line about to occur. 1 minute, 15-minute sell stop. It's been going down. It was called to go to the 30-minute line. 15-minute nothing. 30-minute, almost in the 1 hour. Yep, there it is. It went down and touched the 1 hour look at this, and it's a 1-hour sell stop, by the way, and it went down and touched this 1 hour after I told you guys it hit the 30-minute, which it did, and then it went down to the 1 hour, which it did, and now the 4-hour, 4-hour sell stop also. Let me see how low that is. Yep, I can see it going down to the 4-hour line also. Daily, it's about to turn into a 4-hour daily buy. Weekly sell, this is Bitcoin. Monthly buy. So that is Bitcoin in a nutshell, easy peasy plays on those. Ethereum, 1 minute, it's gonna go up to the 5-minute line on Ethereum. So even though it looks like a sell, I'm gonna call a 1-minute buy. 5-minute sell Ethereum to its 1-hour line. Oh, it hit its 1-hour line too. Look at how pretty. This is a 1-hour sell stop to the blue line, perfection personified right here. Perfect, perfect. Ethereum is also that's a 1 hour, that's a daily, that's a 4 hour. 4 hour daily buy, weekly sell stop, obvious as can be. Ethereum is also a monthly buy. XRP, which I own, but again, just keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor. 1 minute to the blue line buy, 5 minute going up to its, well, maybe the 15 minute, hold on. Yeah, it's gonna go 15 minutes. So 5 minute, 15-minute sell, 30-minute, jack crap, 1 hour sell stop. Around the 4 hour line. It is. 1 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line. That's where it's heading to. D, 1 hour it's gonna come back up and go to the blue line again on the daily. Yay, us that own it. That is XRP daily buy. Weekly sell, obvious as can be, and a monthly buy. US oil, 1 minute buy. It already been up though, I see that, yeah. 5 minute, how high is that gonna go? 15 minute. Mm, yeah, it's gonna go up and touch its 5 minute blue line. Yep, right there. So 5 minute buy, 1 hour sell. 1 hour sell to the blue line, daily sell, and it's a weekly, monthly buy, meaning it's bouncing off of its monthly and it's gonna go up. That's oil. We're gonna go ERUSD real quick, and I'll show you the great reset right here. 1 minute, that looks like a strong buy, but it's too far away. Buy. 5 minute, 15-minute buy. It's too far away though, it's gonna pull back, I don't care what it's showing. Sometimes you gotta overrule it, and that's a buy too. Let me go ahead and do this. 1 minute follow the 1 minute sell stops on ERUSD down to the blue line, that's what's gonna happen. And then after that, look for that 1 hour buy stop again. It's probably gonna form, yeah, I would say 1 hour. 4 hour buy, and by the way, this is still a 4 hour buy to the daily blue line, which was already called out back in February. This is your great reset on the weekly thing. That's what it looks like. It's gonna go up a little bit higher, then it's gonna pop down. And yep, this is 100% a or as close as you can get, a 99.99% weekly buy stop up to the red line, then it's gonna fall on the to the monthly, and it's gonna fall down again. When they make this fall down and fall down hard, it's gonna fall below, to be specific to you, point, 95801 sell stops. This is nothing can be done. This is gonna fall hard, and they're gonna destroy us, and they're gonna bring everything down they can. Same with GBP, USD looks the same. And if you look at the opposite, UNICEF is the opposite. So when you see this right here on a daily, you can see the ERUSD weekly is the opposite. Daily, sorry. So it's just the way they work, just showing how effective the system is. US 31 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute buy. Already completed all those. So cool, everything I called out last week completed. We were going to the 15-minute line and hit it once, twice, 3, 4 times on US 30, went past it multiple times on Nas, and it hit on SPX 1, 2, 3 times also on SPX. So let's go that US 30 longer then. These over here and off the trade for us. Current signals, US 30. 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. 1 hour sell stop. 4 hour buy stop. And that's all we got. So let's write these out in English so you guys understand what I'm saying. This is going to be US 30. We have a 1 minute buy stop to 5 minute blue line. We have a 1 hour sell stop, and we have a 4 hour buy stop. And nothing typed out. That's so fast. Yep, let's try that again. US 30. 1 minute buy stop to 5-minute blue line. You can check that out too. I'll check that out further for you to see how exact that is, but I'm pretty sure we're exact. 1 hour sell stop, 4 hour buy stop, and that's US30. All right, let's go to the next. All right, NAS and US30, NAS and SPX always run together. 1 minute. Jack crap. No, I can go with that. Yeah, I can still do all those. Those are all the same. Let me see on SPX. Yeah, SPX same. I can go with all those. Let me see if I can pop into this thing again without causing a catastrophe. US30 as SPX. I think they all do the same. All right, so we got our call outs for current. We got those things looking good. Let me double check something though for you guys really quick here on our other little chart. I want to make sure of something. Is it the US30 coming to it? Let's see something. Yes. Yeah. Let me see SPX again. Same. Yeah, I can live with those two. That'll force NAS to do it. Okay, I'm good. All right. Anybody want me to check anything else? Let me know. I have to watch all your lives. What's up? Don't repeat yourself. Yeah. Scanner coming to program. Won't stop as good as you could. You will be soon. I have many people that pass me up earning wise. Scanner coming to program. We already have a scanner. We'll talk about that in a second. If you want to see the power of the scanner, you need to head over to YouTube so you can see the full thing rather than this little shit thing that I show right here. This is the scanner. We'll talk about that next. I have to watch. No, lives are lives. You don't have to watch any of my lives. I can give a shit less if you watch lives. All right. Here you go. Hey, boss. What's up, Steven? Awesome. LT. Yes, it was 30 was a 30-minute sell stop. Good afternoon. Hey, Kev. Hope you've been doing well. Thanks, Fish on TV, Jared. Your time, boss. See you in the morning. Bye, Jay. Have a good day, Jay. All right. So this is a scanner. Scanner. If you go over to TikTok, over to YouTube, you'll see it a heck of a lot better. Obviously, there's nothing open right now. Crypto, we could check it. Nothing going on in crypto. Shit barely moves. It's really slow. But the scanner calls out over 100 different things. We're about a week delay right now on trading to the blue line. I haven't started testing yet. But Keith did give me an update, and I believe it's Sunday he'll be done, and then Monday I'll be testing this week. So he had to rewrite a little bit of code on that. So we're still getting it there, and I'll show you what that blue line is in a second. And then, yeah, we got a lot coming onto the scanner system. So give it a month, maybe 2 at the most. I said June 1st, as the likelihood of it coming into play, and it's probably still that June 1st. It'll be a free upgrade. Everybody has a system, by the way. You want me to check USB? Sure, I can try. I don't know if it's there. Again, we're limited on our symbols currently to about 250, and 250 are just the major ones. So USB, let's see what you got on USB. Not likely it's in here. RSTUV negative. No US bank, can't find it. If I can't chart it, I can't tell you what it is, so sorry about that. There's some other ones, some big European banks are in there. I don't know. Alright, TikTok, YouTube, you want me to go ahead and, go over any other symbols you'd like me to track for you? I'll call them out now before market opens for you. We did over a dozen of them right now. US30, NAS, SPX, gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, US oil, ER, USD, USD, chef. All done. Nothing? What's up, Breezy? If you have any questions, Breezy, please ask. I'm not going to stick around much longer. UBUSD, sure. I'll gladly look at that for you. By the way, UBUSD, if you go over to your weekly, it'll look like just like EUR USD because that's this great reset what they're doing. This is GBUSD weekly. You can obviously this is a sell stop, and they plan on dropping this much harder. You're going to see GBUSD go below 1.0355. Yep, that's what they're going to do. 1 minute. GBUSD 1 minute buy stop. 15-minute line. Damn, I don't know about this. 30-minute negative. It is a buy stop, but I'd be more interested in the 1 hour sell stop to the hold on. Yeah. 1 hour sell stop to the blue line or the 4-hour buy stop. Yeah, the 4-hour daily will fill in eventually. Weekly sell stop, nothing you can do about it. And it's a weekly, monthly. This is gonna drop hard. This stuff is gonna drop hard. And that's what it looks like. That's what the great resets should look like. Downward sloping M. And there's your weekly. This is your weekly, our actual logo is formed. Doop, doop. That's what you're gonna see. Easy peasy. Armando XOM looks more sell, Random says. I don't know what you're looking at, Random, but okay. What was the bias? 30. It's not a bias. I'm telling you exactly what it's going to do, Breezy. Tesla. Let me look at Tesla and I'll do US30 for you. Tesla. Again, these are my predictions. My predictions happen to be not a bias. They happen to come true a lot. And by a lot, I mean a shit ton. Tesla, jack crap. I mean, it's a 1 minute sell too low. It's a 1 minute, 5 minute sell. Is this what I called down like to the 1 hour or something last week? 15-minute sell, 15, 30-minute sell. Look at that cheating fall they did. Yep. Look at this beautiful play before it happened. These are hourly candles. Let's zoom in a little bit. Tesla, 1 hour. Let's take a look see. Every one of these little histogram bars is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I can tell you here. So from here to here, we had 10 hours to put a sell stop in. Everybody knows what that is. You had a 10-hour heads up that this was going to go down right here. Easy peasy trade. Now, though, I don't know. Too late. We're over tomorrow. Daily. Oh, Tesla. Good. Nope. This is a daily, weekly. Please don't go. Oh, geez. It's a daily, weekly sell stop. It's going to go down to 91 to 6. Right? $62 a share. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's bad. And I love Elon Musk. Buy stop monthly. So there is that. I just think there's going to be a little dip down here a little bit. Oh, look. XRP, a trade. Look, this is what the scanner looks like. This is what it pulls up with. New safety trade XRP. It comes up with a banner on our scanner. So we're going to go down and look, see what we can. There it is. There it is. Sell stop XRP. There's a new button flickering. You can click on it, and that is true. That is accurate. We can pull up XRP. We already did it. And this is the code, the simple code XRP USD. Down arrow means it's looking for a sell stop. It just moved away from the new, which only flashed for a minute, and this is a 5-minute trade. So that is perfection. This camera is actually 100% right on that call. Back to Tesla daily. Yeah, 1 minute sell stop, 5-minute sell stop, 15-minute sell stop, 30-minute sell stop, fill in the gap, 1 hour sell stop, 4-hour, oh shit, 4-hour daily, weekly sell stop. Wow. But there is a monthly buy eventually. That might be a while, but there is that. So I don't know. Tesla wouldn't be my best friend right now unless you're shorting it. What was it? Laughter out loud. I missed. UNG United States Natural Gas. We can't do natural gas. I'm sorry. Good stuff. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Guy. Appreciate it. Yes, I checked SPY already. I'll check US30 for you and then SPY. SPY is SPX if you guys don't know that. 1 minute buy stop. These are the call outs, by the way. I don't just write them out. I'll draw them out for you too in a minute here. US30 NAS and SPX, which is SPY, 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line, 1 hour sell stop, 4 hour buy stop. So I can show you what that looks like live. There's the 1 minute buy. There it is, filling in the gap and going to go up to this blue line right there. This is US30. This is a 15-minute nothing, 30-minute nothing, 1 hour sell stop, 4 hour buy stop, and that's all you got. Now, if you want to look at SPY, which is SPX, SPY is SPX. Again, you guys have to learn your conversion when you start to trade, I guess. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the blue line, nothing. 30-minute 1 hour sell stop. And by the way, it's going to be going back down to its. The first stop is going to be its 15-minute line. So you're about to see this go back down to its 15-minute line. But anyway, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, and that's it. Same call on SPX, NAS, and US30. They're all the same. This is written out right here. If you were on YouTube, you can see where I keep the signals at. If you go over to YouTube and subscribe, you'll see where it is. That's that. Okay, cool. Thank you. You're welcome, Breezy. XOM looks more sell random. Thanks. You're welcome. Buy your course, will the conference call be held? If I buy your course, when will the conference call be held? What's up, Howie B? It's every Monday. 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then every follow-up training, because you get free unlimited monthly also on top of that follow-up training live with me, only through Zoom and both, by the way, is every Monday at 4 o'clock. And that's it. So it'll be Monday Eastern Standard Time, 1 o'clock your training call. Unless you sign up for the one-on-one, then we work you in Monday or Tuesday, pretty much Tuesday. We can get you in, pretty regularly, Monday or Tuesday. It's only want to pay for the one-on-one. I don't recommend, you don't need it, but whatever. So if you go over to here, you can buy the system right there. Make sure there's a lot of people trying to scam. There always is anyways, because the system's so good and so successful. SafeTrade.com is the only place to really buy it legally anyways. I wouldn't risk going anywhere else trying to get some ripped off, nasty ass pilot copy of it. Just go here, buy $575 for the year, and you sign up and get it. And then everything happens very, very quickly. You'll be getting emails, confirmation emails. You'll be shocked how fast that happens. And after that, oh, you don't have access. What? Yo, what in the world is going on? Let's see. We must have been kicked out of type for some reason. There we go. Now, once you sign up, you get a type form. And if you can't follow simple instructions, please don't sign up. This isn't for you. But if you can follow simple instructions where you can read something, follow a video, like we walk you through everything, how to get the scanner room, how to get your custom indicators, everything. Everything has a video, a short little video, and it walks you through how to do everything. But if you can't follow simple instructions, then this system isn't for you, I promise you. We teach you to become independent. It's called you're gonna learn how to trade responsibly. And if you can't start by following your own little actual things, then this system is not for you. I guarantee you the system is not for you. We do everything we can to help you, but there's certain things you gotta start doing on your own. God almighty. Yes, I was shocked how fast Kev was. Yeah, fly. We're pretty on top of things. I already did. Thank you, Jesus, for Kevin Bri. Yep. Alec, I did SPY a dozen times. The SPY is SPX. If you don't know what SPX, it's SPY. There are your call outs. US30 SPY and NAS. 1 minute buy stop to their 5 minute blue lines. If you don't understand what that means, buy the system. 1 hour sell stops, 4 hour buy stop. This will occur. It's just a matter of what time it occurs in. So thanks be to God, this will actually go the way it needs to. We called out, for instance, 15-minute, uh, the 15-minute sell stops last week. Over a 2-day period of time, everyone made lots of money, and then we called out these buy stops, and this is currently a buy stop I'm in since 329. Pull this over here so you guys can see. I'm still in this trade. almost in a month now. I'm still in a trade, and these are all the other current ones from, Friday, and that's what. You guys can just hold trades or not. I'm not "Oh, you don't have stop." I don't give a fuck. I know where the thing's going. I'm not worried about anything. We're good. The system's that good, trust me. It takes a while on average. I've had people like Tommy and Gaurav, they learn in about 15, 20 minutes, and I have people more likely, a friend of mine, family member of mine, about 3 months. Dr. McCain, emergency room doctor, he says about 3 months. Takes a while, but once you get it and most people do good at first, then they have a little losing streak 'cause they get greedy or something, and then they stick with it, and then they come right back in and they make money, and they start making real money then. Some people can make a lot of money. We have one millionaire, Jay Cochran made. Alright, TikTok, we're outta here unless somebody has any questions. I'm gonna go ahead and head over to YouTube for a final little whatever. Anybody have anything else on TikTok? Any questions going once? Concerns or comments going twice? Duh, not what I wanted to hear. Alright, Alec, you're welcome. Alright, guys, talk to you later on TikTok. See you hopefully in the morning sometime. We'll get some money made today. Alright. I have to be some kind of record right now. I haven't been banned on TikTok in 2 weeks. This will be my 3rd week. All done with TikTok on YouTube. Anybody on YouTube have any questions or concerns or comments? Questions or comments? Questions, concerns, or comments? We're gonna have training coming up. It's gonna be Monday. It's gonna be at 1 o'clock. I'm telling you right now, if you don't have things ready okay, let me go over some rules. Um, we have training, and we have 22 people coming into the class, alright? So let me give you a hint. This training right here, if you are not scheduled and put on this training, you will not be seen. So if you're not inside this group, don't ask, don't try to get in, don't come late. Let me give you some rules here. We don't play around. Am I clear? Well, I can go full screen with you guys if you're not do that. Now, we have 22 people in this 1 o'clock Zoom class. If your name isn't on here, you will not be admitted. If you do not have your rules, printed out, you will be kicked out. If you do not have your indicators installed, you will be kicked out. Am I clear? Last Monday's class was a fiasco. We were trying to bring in some other people from a different group. It's all worked out now. We're all fine. But the reality of it is that's never going to happen again. If you are not new and you don't have your rules and you do not have your indicators installed, you and your name is not on this list right here, you will not be allowed in. You will be canceled and kicked out. Now, if you've already been and you're not new, at 4 o'clock, we have another training class that'll be coming up. That is for people who already had the first one. This isn't complicated. And then at 4 o'clock, I will be doing and I have one person at 3 o'clock for a one-on-one. I think that's all I have at this point. Yeah. So, yep. So let's be clear on that. If you're not ready for Monday's class, you'll just come into the following Monday's class. I have no time and will not horse shit around or tolerate any bullshit. It ain't happening. So if you guys are not ready, and if you answer yes and you lie to me, I will never allow you to any other class again. Am I clear? So if you say that you have your indicators installed, or you say you have your rules and ends up you do not, I will ban you from everything and block you from everything. Am I clear? This is where I get a little annoyed with people because I can't people believe people lie in this day and age still. That's embarrassing. Thank you, Shannon. And Shannon was one of the most perfect new people we've ever ran into, and we have hundreds, hundreds in a month for sure. So she's been exceptional. I swear to this day, she's been excellent on everything. I expect nothing but great news from her. She's just going to do fantastic as she goes forward. But last Monday, which had nothing to do with Shannon, she was fantastic. But with other people trying to sneak in and weasel in and come, you have a 3-minute grace period. If you don't make it in here at 3 minute after that class start time, you will not, a matter of fact, I'm blocking you out and you're not coming in. You're done. So be on time. Be prepared. If you don't know what to do, go to your type form and redo the type form 20 times before you come into that class. It is very easy. 9 out of 10 problems don't have a and 9 out of 10 people don't have a problem. But there are a certain number of people who can't follow this, who literally can't follow a video, a welcome, another video, another one. Look, and then this. You can't follow simple directions. You can't follow a video. You don't understand what this is. You don't understand what a walkthrough is. You don't understand what future group training is. You actually ask us how to get in the scanner room, how to buy it. After we have a video and tell you how to do it, you have the nerve to ask us how to do it. Nothing can piss me off more than you not taking responsibility for your trading. Nothing. When it tells you to stop and wait, tells you how to get in. It tells you how to install your custom indicators, what to do. I don't know what more, there's a video on it. And I have people, 9 out of 10 people can follow simple instructions. No, we got people thanking us for how simple it is. But there's always that 1 or 2 people out of the group that just doesn't follow it. And I really don't want your money that badly. Please don't buy the system. Please don't buy the system. If you can't follow simple instructions, please don't buy the system. I can't be I'm begging you, don't buy the system if you can't follow simple instructions. Much better than you and Bri are amazing. Couldn't be more so. Thank you, Shannon. Hi, Kevin. I'm ready for my call tomorrow. Awesome, Steven. I can't wait to train all. I love training you guys. Oh my gosh. There is so much more to what's Shannon. Is there anyone out here? Is there a lot more to what you than what you see on YouTube or TikTok? To my training, is there a lot more, yes or no? Usually I get mind blown emojis at the end of it. They're just through the roof with no, there is so much more I teach you. So much more I teach you. I teach you so much more in that trading, it's insanity. Shannon Ivy, there you go. Feedback from me is the guy spot on. Thank you, Steven. Shannon's like, "Yeah." So the people who think that somehow you're scamming and stealing and no one ever broke this, you can't break the code. So if everyone told you, "Oh, we broke the safety trade," no, they didn't. They guessed at my numbers and they were wrong. And then guess what? They think that they have the training videos when they don't have anything. What I'm showing you here on the green, 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 red, green, green is the tip of the iceberg. I like to refer to it as like Shrek with all the onions. There's a lot of layers of the system that you have no clue about. I never train anyone about it until you get your small group training with me or your one-on-one. There's a lot to the system that you don't see and know about when I go on here. Tons. I mean, it's beyond. Yeah, LT says, "Yep, a lot more." Yep, a lot more. All right. Well, I'm done. If you guys have any questions, ask. If not, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. We're gonna enjoy ours. God bless y'all. Hope you make some money on the markets. We have our call outs made. Everything's done. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and go. All right. See y'all tomorrow morning, Lord willing. Let's make some more money this week, Lord willing, and have some fun doing it. That's for sure. We're definitely gonna have fun doing it. I don't know if we're gonna make money or not, but we're gonna do it. All right. Continue blessings. Thank you, Shannon. God bless you all. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.